Show everybody here.
Okay, Kai is going to do a science experiment. He's going to make a tornado in a jar. So his first step is to get the water. How much full do you have to do that, Kai?
Say 3/4.
3/4.
3/4 full. His bill is helping him.
Go back to the chair. Take your water.
Okay.
Come on up.
And the next step in the experiment is a teaspoon of liquid dish soap.
Okay. Here.
So Kai, you're gonna hold that spoon,
Hold the spoon.
and put it in the water, buddy.
Okay. I'm gonna fill it up.
Put it over the spoon. Put it over here, honey.
Okay. Here. I'll help you. Let's fill it. Okay. Hold on.
Okay, put it in the water, bud.
What's it going to happen when you put some water clean?
We're gonna see. And now we're gonna do a teaspoon of vinegar.
Okay.
Hey,
Same way. Same way.
now the water turned green.
Okay. Let's put some vinegar in. Ready? Hold the spoon.
Okay.
Okay. This is.
What's going to happen?
And put a little, squeeze a little bit of food coloring in there.
Okay. Just a little.
Okay, and our next step is to put the lid on
Put the lid on top of it, okay?
and make it smaller so you can see. And then we're gonna shake it up.
Yeah.
Kai, we shake it up, and then we swirl it around, and you're gonna create a vortex.
That was fun.
Wait,
Yeah.
you're not done,
Okay,
buddy.
ready?
You're gonna
Here we
see
go.
your tornado now.
Let's cover the top up. Push down. Down. Down.
Here.
Okay, down. Let's put this one on. Hold on.
You make sure it stays tight because you're gonna shake it, Kai.
Yeah. We can shake it like a skeleton. Auntie, we can shake this water.
Like
Just
bones?
Like a shaking skeleton bone.
Okay.
Whew. That was
Take
fun.
2 hands, Kai, and shake
Take
it.
2 hands.
And shake it really
Lift it
hard.
up, lift it up, lift it up. Shake it.
Really hard, really hard. Really
I can
hard.
see my tornado. Go. Okay.
You see it?
I see my tornado.
You see it swirling around the water?
Yep.
See it?
I see soil in the water.
Yeah, that's called a vortex. You
Yeah.
made a tornado in a bottle.
Yeah.
Say thank you, Miss
Thank you, Miss.
Allington.
Bill, why are you trying to shake it?
See it go? Look at it go. Look at it all swirling around.
Hmm? Bill, why are you